Hello friends, this is the part 2 video on how to install Flutter in our computer. So if you haven't watched part 1 video, then go and check part 1 video. Then only you will understand this video. So in this video I am going to guide you further more steps on how to install Flutter in our computer. At the first step, open any Edge browser. Okay, open any Edge browser and search for Chrome. Search for Chrome. Download Chrome, download, or PC. Search this, and in the first link of Google, or is the first website of Google, click this, and this website will open, and click on download Chrome, and this Chrome will be setup will be downloaded. I am going to cancel it because it is already downloaded in my computer. It is already downloaded. So after downloaded in your system, run as administrator and install this in your system, in your computer system. And when you install, it will show like this. Okay, it will show like this, and then go another step is that you have to install Android Studio and search for Android Studio, and this is the first website of Android Studio, official website. Click on this, and it is the website of Android Studio, and here you will see download Android Studio Panda 3. If you haven't log in by your account, then you have to log in, otherwise it will also show like this. Then click on this and scroll down and check this mark and download. Okay, this download, and it will be something about 2 GB file. So I'm going to canceling here because it's already downloaded in my computer. You can check it from here. Yes, I will download it, and you install this. After in your system it is downloaded, install this. After installing, it will show in desktop. Now first step, you have downloaded Chrome and we have set up, and second step, you have downloaded Android Studio, and after downloaded, open this Android Studio. After opening Android Studio, in your screen, okay, in your screen it will show to download other files, extra files, which is about 2 GB extra file. So first download this, then only this section will be shown. Okay, like this section it will show after downloading. And here it will first time it will not show here Flutter new project. It will only show new project, open, and more action. So you have to install Flutter new project here extension. To do that, you should go to plugins, this plugins option, and here search what I have installed. I have installed Dart, Flutter, Gemini, GitHub, IDEA, Vim, JetBrains, Kotlin. Okay, so install all these here by going to marketplace and go and search Dart and all everything. Okay, Dart which I have installed here, go to marketplace and search and install from here. After installing, it will show to restart. Okay, this will show to restart this application. So restart this, then again it will show directly in this pop-up, in this section window. So at this time it will show Flutter new project. Then you should go to more actions, click on more actions, then SDK manager, then Android Studio, and go to the this option, click Android SDK tools, click this, and here it will show all these options will be unchecked. Some will be checked, but many of these are unchecked. So check all these options from here and click apply, and it will show to download more files, again more files, which is about something 1.3 GB. Then download all this, then it will show checked all mark. Okay, check all mark, then click OK and exit it. Now this is also complete. Another step is that again go to web browser or Edge or Chrome. You can go and search for Eclipse JDK. Okay, Eclipse JDK, ELLIPSE JDK. When you click this, then first website. Okay, click on first website, and first website, this is the official link of JDK. Then this is the latest one. Other if you latest release, okay, latest release, and it will show latest JDK 24 is latest. So click on window, download. Now it is downloading. I'm going to canceling it because it's already downloaded my system. It's downloading system, so I'm going to canceling it. Now after downloading, go to your file, here is that I have downloaded this JDK 24. Then install this, okay, install this in your system, in your computer system. Then it is all, now all the steps are complete, but now another step is also left. Go to the this type to search and click cmd command prompt. Okay, then here search for Flutter SDK. Okay, search for Flutter SDK. Oh sorry, go to cmd, search for Flutter Doctor. Go to Flutter Doctor. It will take some about 1-2 minutes when it is first time. Let's wait. Here, when you in your system, it will show like this: Flutter tick, Windows version tick, Chrome tick. This is on tick, connected devices tick, network resources tick. So this Android toolchain will be on tick. It will be cross. So this is the most important. This is the most important to make this tick so that only your Flutter project will be built. Otherwise, it will be not built. So to make this check, it will show the options like in this line. It will show the options like Android license accept like this. So click this and paste here. Okay, paste here and enter. Then it will show the option of yes or no. Click yes. Again, it will show yes or no. Click yes, and it will fetch some files. Then after that, it will show install. Okay, it will show install, and again exit this and click. Again open command prompt and again search here, enter Flutter Doctor. At this time, when you accept the Android license, then in your computer system also it will show like this, which mine is showing. This Flutter will be tick, Windows version will be tick, Android toolchain will be tick, Chrome will be tick, connected devices will be tick, and network resources will be tick. And when it is all this tick, then you should confirm that now I can build Flutter project. Now Flutter is officially installed in my system. Okay, then this Flutter is already installed, but to build the Flutter, which platform are you using? Either you can use Antigravity. Okay, you can check here. I'm using Antigravity. You can check Antigravity or Chrome. Okay, like I'm going to search. You can check Antigravity or VS Code or Crosshair. Choose anyone, because you can in these 3 platforms. Go here. You can download Antigravity from here. It is of Google's, so you can also you can use this for building your Flutter project. You can also use this VS Code for building a Flutter project or app. Also, you can use Crosshair for building. You can choose anyone, but I am here. I am choosing Antigravity because it is I am officially with this, and I am using since many years. So this is the in this part 2 video. I have covered all the things how to install Flutter in your system. Now in the part 3 video, I will guide you how to set up Flutter in our platform like VS Code, Crosshair, or Antigravity. The steps are all same, but the platforms are different, but steps are all same. So I will do in Antigravity in the part 3 video. If you hope you enjoy my video. If you don't understand anything, then you can ask me in comment section. I will give reply and I will guide you. Thank you.